Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix my Zelle account is not working. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch your app store on your device and then tap here on the bottom right on search. Just search for Zelle, and then basically if you see a update button right next to Zelle, that means you just need to go ahead and update it, and that should work because you would have the latest version of the app. But if that does not work, what I want you to do is access your settings, okay, and then scroll all the way down and then tap on general, right? And then what I need you to do is come here and click on iPhone storage. From here, I just want you to go ahead and look for Zelle, tap on it, and then just go ahead and tap on offload app. Okay, tap again on offload app to confirm. It will take a bit of time for processing, but then after that you get a reinstall button. Just go ahead and reinstall the app. That should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, just go back to your app store and then just go ahead and search for Zelle, click on get, reinstall it, and that would fix the issue. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.